Hello guys, welcome to my video. Today I'm going to be starting a new episode, a new series, of HTML. Yeah, so the HTML is really simple. Doesn't need a lot of hard work or something. You just need some creativity and how to use your code in a simple, nice way. HTML hasn't always been a simple-handed code or language, because most people who code using HTML use CSS or cascading style sheets as you can say more simpler or improver for their code to be more organized and to have a pretty much a more professional look. Yeah, so once you have downloaded your specific application or open Notepad or whatever, or not even sure what it's called. It's called, I know on Mac. Yeah, so what you're gonna do here is you're gonna open your specific application. Then you're gonna, if you're on Notepad++, you can save your file as or your specific class name, and then .html. Then you're gonna save. I've already saved it over there, so you don't need. Or you can just click language from the bar upstairs and click on the alphabet H or whatever, and click HTML, hypertext markup language, and it will simply type HTML and use the color code that is specific for HTML, whatever. Yeah, so what we're gonna do here is pretty simple. Now for this video we're gonna be new to the HTML brackets or whatever they're called. I'm not even sure. Are they called like code signs or whatever? Yeah, so you're gonna put this sign or whatever and this, then type your specific code. For my case it's HTML, or whatever's case, doesn't matter. Then put a closing bracket. I'm gonna call it a bracket. Right. So let's go. HTML. As you see, it colored it because it automatically detected it as a HTML code. Then you gotta close it using a slash before the specific code. So in everything in HTML you gotta close it. In some cases, like horizontal line, HR, you can close it from the first code, from the first code. Line break, BR, line break, or whatever. There are also attributes which you're gonna learn from it in the near future, which you can just input a lot of codes in one code to be more organized and much more professional, and just decrease that space. Alright, so after you have told the class that you are an HTML file, now open up. So when you open your file, I'm gonna save. Now before saving it as an HTML, you can see and open it as a Google Chrome file. As you see, it's blank, as it's an HTML file. If it's not marked as an HTML file, your web page will just define it as a unfound page or whatever you call it. So just type in head or header and close it. just open it. What we did here is we opened the file. We defined it as an HTML file by opening a HTML code and closing it. Every HTML code will be placed in between these two codes, which are HTML and HTML closed. Yeah, so then you can open a header. The header is simply a lot of functions can be based over there, like CSS codes can be over there or something like that. For example, the title, I'm gonna call my title sample title. Save it, and you'll see if you open the page is in Google Chrome, you'll see that it's called sample. That's the header over there. It's the base of the page. So if you went in here, I'm sorry, just saying. Right, sample here. I'm gonna open the body. The body is that's in between what is in this bracket. That's space. Yeah. So I'm gonna open a body text, body code. You can add some attributes here, as you see, it's red because it's now defined as a attribute. The attributes are gonna be you're gonna learn them later in my videos. Yeah, that kind of stuff. So in between these two codes, you can do whatever you want. Just don't mess up. Like, for example, font color equals red, for example. And you didn't close this, and you didn't add a closing code. You'll see what will happen. Now, for example, whatever. You'll see. You save it. All what will be written here will be red. Now, until you close the code. For example, you close it and you typed anything under it. You'll see. I'm gonna save it. You'll see that the code ends over here, and then your code just now. You have probably recognized why I have given like line breaks over here, and they've not appeared. What the hell? It's because after each code you can hello and line break and have a line break, and now hello again. And now if you check it out, hello. Pretty simple as that. Now, if you there's a really good code called paragraph, which is P between brackets. There's hello, P close brackets. Close, yeah. Now you have a pretty simple paragraph. You can type whatever you want over here and go as a paragraph. Next, so another paragraph. BR, yeah. Paragraph, new paragraph. Save. Open window. Google Chrome. Now, as you see, this is. Wait a minute. I'm sorry. sorry, you don't need to add this line break anymore, because the paragraph code actually adds a new line under it, so it doesn't get mixed up with other paragraphs. That's a very, very, very good code. Yeah. We learned about, so today we learned about how to define a class as an HTML, how to add a header, how to add a body, and how add line break, horizontal line, and I'm gonna complete. Yeah. So we have a few other useful codes like the ink phase. This simply does the same thing as italic in Word documents. For example, this is a sentence written in between the code. I don't wanna see the M code. I don't wanna mess this up. I'm sorry, very sorry. You can save it and open it in your Chrome. You'll see that it's simply now italic. Now another thing is the horizontal line. I did the horizontal line, which is over here. As you see, what it did, it added a horizontal line and a line break over here, because I added a line break over here. So don't get confused. Now mark, I'm not sure how it's spelled. It's spelled as M-A-R-Q-U-E-E. This is in between the mark, whatever it's called, code. Close it. Save it. I'll just refresh the page. As you see, this simply slides the text. Very cool. Very cool thing to use, and very useful. Then we have the font color. Font color. Grab, for example, this text is red. Close, front, open, save. You'll see this text is red. Instead of, and you can actually write in color codes. For example, barcode 000000, which is black. Yeah, you can then open it by Google Chrome. That's a lot better. It's black. You're not gonna actually see a difference. I'm gonna give you a difference, guys. I'm gonna add the FFF. You can just type FFF 3 times. I'm sorry. Again, I'm safe. As you see, it's white, because F is white. Yeah, we can bucket, add orange, and orange is my favorite color. So you can add bold. You can type bold totally, or just B. This text is bold. Good. Yeah, that's it. This Red is too small. You sure you can add real quick. Pretty simple. Alright, this is all for today. See you later next week in another episode. Thank you, and thank you again for watching.